Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial I am going to demonstrate to you how to make a thermometer using your microbit. Your microbit has a built-in sensor that's called a thermometer, and using this we will able to measure the temperature. Now let's quickly do it. When I press the button A and I want to see what temperature it is, so we will show the number because temperature goes, you know how much Celsius it is, 20, 25, 30. As you see, we are talking about numbers. That's why I'm going to use show number, and from input all we need to just bring the temperature and our program will be ready. I need to send the codes directly to my microbit. Now it's completed. All I need to press the button. Now it will tell me 26. So this room where I'm living now, it's at 26 Celsius. So when I say Celsius, I can also show the Celsius with the letter C. So 26 and C. We will understand that it presents 26 Celsius. To do this, I can go to advanced and text. Here all I need to just bring the join, okay? And instead of hello, I'm going to place their temperature, and then join should be connected, not show numbers. We have to do this from the string. By the way, the difference between string and show number, the one of them is displayed for text or characters. The show number is used to display numbers. So it's going to include also some text. That's why we will use a string. Now I'm going to write here C, okay? When I press the download the codes, that's going to send to my microbit. And now let's press one more time. It will say 26 and C. The C means Celsius, okay? Let's quickly write same codes in Python. I'm going to write my while true, and the input, no input, I'm going to go from if, right? If input dot button pressed. And what's going to happen if the button pressed? That's going to show me the basic show string I can do, okay? And I'm going to display firstly temperature. Temperature comes from the input, and I can put the plus and put a space, and then input that temperature, and also I need to place here one C. That's why I use the plus and C, okay? So when I run this, let's see what's gonna happen. I press button A one more time, so it still works. Let's try to change the temperature. I turn this to 28, okay? It becomes 27. So as you see, thermometer works perfectly. So hopefully you like this project. Later on you can plug this to your battery box, and then you can try to measure the temperature of different places. All right, we see each other in the next tutorial. All the best for you. Bye bye.